In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your ChatGPT account. So if you want to permanently delete or erase your information and your account in total from ChatGPT, it is quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do it, just go over to this profile picture of your account and then tap on it. From here, you'll be able to see this option called settings. And now from settings, look for this option called data controls. If you go under data controls, you can see the last option called delete account. If you go ahead and tap on delete, you'll have to go ahead and refresh login, which means you have to confirm that indeed you want to delete your account before you can delete it permanently. And you're told that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Also, deletion will prevent you from accessing OpenAI services, including ChatGPT, APIs, and DALL-E. You have also to note that you cannot create a new account using the same email that you used to create the deleted account, as well as your data will be deleted within 30 days, except you may retain a limited set of data for longer when required or permitted by law. So those are some of the conditions you have to note. So proceed and tap on refresh login, and then you'll confirm deletion. I don't want to delete mine. I'll leave it at that. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.